Hi everyone, in this video we have a question that we have to evaluate the expression b. So as you can see, this looks quite big, but actually it has a trick that we need to know in order to simplify this fraction. Okay, so then we can write 2 square plus, so 4 can be written as 2 times 2 raised to square, and then 6 can be written as 2 times 3 raised to square, and then plus dot dot until 100 could be written as 2 times 50 all raised to square. Okay, and then for the denominator, 3 square plus 3 times 2 raised to square, 9 3 times 3 raised to square, plus dot dot plus 150 could be written as 3 times 50 raised to square equal to 2 square plus, so we got 2 square times 2 square plus 2 square times 3 square plus dot dot plus 2 square times 50 square all over 3 square plus 3 square times 2 square plus 3 square times 3 square, then plus dot dot until 3 square times 50 square. Okay, so for the numerator we have 2 square in common, then we will get 1 plus 3 square plus dot dot plus 50 square. Okay, all over. So for the denominator we can take 3 in common. For the denominator we have 3 square in common, then we will get 1 plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dot dot plus 50 square. Okay, so now as you can see we got the same values for these factors, and these factors can simplify with each other. Okay, so then we will get 2 square over 3 square, which is 4 over 9. So the values of b, which is equal to 4 over 9. Now I have solved this problem. I hope you can understand, and thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. See you in the next video.